Hi, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to get Venmo statement. First, if you're looking for an inside app tutorial, that's not going to be the case in this video. So if you're looking for that, I hope you all the best. So anyway, of course, you'll need to go and download your app if you don't have it yet, or log in into your account if you're not logged in, or create an account. So how can we get the Venmo statement, or how can we export them? Which is basically transaction history. So as you can see, to view your Venmo transaction history or statement, all you need to do, just you can view, of course, your Venmo transaction history in the app with these steps. So you can go to the Me tab. Normally you'll find this at the bottom right corner. Then tap on transactions and toggle below your profile picture to view your recent transactions. Of course, to view your transactions history on the web, you can follow these steps. Starts by signing in to your account at venmo.com. Of course, you can do that on the web as well you want. After that, click the single person silhouette at the top of the page to see your feed. Then select individual transaction to see more details. You need to download statements or view more of your Venmo transaction history at once. You can do so from the web browser. Statements cover 1 month at a time. So you may need to download multiple statements for longer periods of time. You can follow these steps to download your Venmo account statement. So you can sign in to your Venmo, click on the statement, you'll find it in the sidebar. Use the drop down menu to select which month and year you want to view or download. To select a different year, you can click on the year shown at the top of the drop down menu, then click on download the CSV file. And of course, if you need to see older statement does not show there, they can send you statements via email. So make sure to contact their support team. Thank you for watching and goodbye.